Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2019 19 plate Mercedes Vito van. Lovely vehicle. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Nice low mileage, and then condition wise it is a lovely thing. So spec wise we've got front and rear parking sensors to the exterior. We've got twin side loading doors. We've got these cupboard doors to the rear. And then quickly just showing you through to the back. All the ply lining is in absolutely fantastic order. So we've got ply lining to the doors, to all the walls, obviously slip resistance floors, and then we've got the factory metal bulkhead as well. Now on the logbook this was owned by a food establishment, so I'd imagine the vehicle was only used to carry sort of food supplies. As you can tell, the vehicle has never really been used for any sort of hard use. All the bodywork is in lovely order, so there's no signs of any sort of large dents or dings, no large scratches. Looking at the actual metal bulkhead, that's in fantastic order as well. And then coming through to the interior, inside, obviously 3 seats, lovely supportive chair for the driver, no signs of any marks on the bolsters. Looking at actual the footwells, they're in nice order as well. The interior doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets, doesn't smell of any food supplies. And then we've got our central lock-in front electric windows, parking sensors there. A multi-function steering wheel, so on here is our volume controls, media controls, Bluetooth phone, cruise control and speed limiter. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 25,742 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then coming through we've got our Bluetooth phone, we've got our FM radio there, full multimedia, satellite navigation capability, so all you need to do is insert the SD card. But the whole system very nice and easy to use. We've got climate control there as well, 6-speed manual transmission, AUX and USB. All the original books which were supplied with the van from new are still within there today. But a nice thing, drives superb. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. If you'd like any further information on this vehicle, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. We are working via appointments at the moment, so please do get in touch before travelling down. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.